So for this, if you were to write null and alternate hypothesis, how do we write that? Comparing means. So average purchases made because of full interest rate waiver is equal to average purchases made because of standard Christmas promotion is your null hypothesis. Both are equal, don't take any action. Or average purchases because of full interest rate waiver is not equal to average purchases made because of standard Christmas promotion. We need to do this test. If the average purchases made because of full interest rate waiver and standard Christmas promotion are the same, then why do you want to launch full interest rate waiver? You can proceed with the standard Christmas promotion only. You will not come up with a new advertisement at all, right? Okay, so let me write that here. So we are performing now 2 sample t-test. Okay, we are trying to perform 2 sample t-test. So we need to come up with null hypothesis. Null hypothesis says average purchases made because of full interest rate waiver is equal to average purchases made because of standard Christmas promotion. And your alternate hypothesis says, let me take this to the next page. Average purchases made because of full interest rate waiver is not equal to average purchases made because of standard Christmas promotion. And now we need to perform the test and calculate the p-value. Now let me go back to this data set and let me go to stat, basic statistics. Oh, come on. Just give me one moment. Yeah. It is stat, basic statistics, 2 sample t-test. So your full interest rate waiver is in this column and standard Christmas promotion is here. I'll just click on OK. Now you need to look into the p-value. Here is a p-value. If you all are not able to view that, it is 0.024. So the p-value is 0.024. This p-value is less than 0.05. What does it imply? P low, null, go. Go means you're going to go. Let it go, kick out. P low, null, go means you're going to reject null hypothesis. If you're rejecting null hypothesis, so there are only 2 hypothesis, null and alternate. You're rejecting this null hypothesis. That means you have to accept alternate hypothesis. And what does your alternate hypothesis say? Average purchases made because of full interest rate waiver is not equal to average purchases made because of standard Christmas promotion. Right? So this implies accept null hypothesis. In your accept alternate hypothesis, my bad. And your alternate hypothesis say average purchases made because of these 2 promotions are not equal. If both are not equal, then the obvious next question that you need to ask is, which one is better? Both are not equal, that's fine. But which one is better? Hence, you write null and alternate hypothesis once again and perform a variant of this test. Average purchases made because of full interest rate waiver is less than or equal to average purchases made because of standard Christmas promotion. If this is the case, you would not launch your full interest rate waiver advertisement at all. You'll continue with your standard Christmas promotion. When would you launch full interest rate waiver? That's the new advertisement. When would you launch that? Or when would you take an action? If average purchases made because of full interest rate waiver is going to be greater than standard Christmas promotion average purchases, then you would launch this full interest rate waiver. And that is our ultimate business problem. So for this, we need to perform test once again. So since this was true, we need to tweak this. And once again write null and alternate hypothesis. This time, average purchases made because of full interest rate waiver is less than or equal to average purchases made because of standard Christmas promotion. And alternate hypothesis should say average purchases made because of full interest rate waiver is greater than average purchases made because of standard Christmas promotion. So now you will also have to tweak this a little. I think I've deleted these two. Okay, so these are the two promotions, full interest rate waiver and standard promotion. So you need to go to Stat, Basic Statistics, to sample t-test. This is fine, but the only small tweak that you have to do here is go to Options, and wherever you see alternate hypothesis, you need to do a drop down and say greater than, because your alternate hypothesis has greater than. Okay, click on OK. Now I click on OK here. Here you get a p-value. P-value is 0.012. P-value is 0.012. This p-value is less than 0.05. What does it imply? P low, null go. So you're going to reject null hypothesis, which intuitively means that you're going to accept alternate hypothesis. And what does your alternate hypothesis say? Average purchases made because of full interest rate waiver is greater than average purchases made because of standard Christmas promotion. Job done. So we will go back to the financial analyst and say, hey, you're now good to launch the advertisement in a full-blown way for full interest rate waiver and will be profitable.